Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm presenting you the new fantastic tutorial of doing long gel nails of professional, competitive arch almond Russian style long gel nails with application by greatest Russian nail technician Andrew Teddy Bear, nicknamed Teddy Bear because he's very big, very strong, and he's high professional, famous nail master. He's showing his personal technique, which helps nail masters to create beautiful, very elegant gel nails in only 1 hour or 1.5 hours, but not longer than 2 hours. He has improved his skills, his motion, counted times, and worked to do nails better and better, to prepare nails as perfectly as he can. So this is the greatest video. If you're a nail master, it will help you to lift your level up. If you are the client or the person who just like watching such videos, it will be interesting for you to learn more about gel nails techniques. So just have a good time, listen to the music and watch amazing tutorial by Andrew Teddy Bear. I'll try to tell you step by step all phases of his work. On the first phases, when he applies infill of gel nails, he removes the all gel from the nail plate. The liftings is very rare situation, only for those clients who work with the water, contact with the water, oils. But Andrew prepares nails as properly as he can. He's removing the gel to the limit, never leave the nail design, the color, and all liftings he's removing everything. So after that he starts primering nails, applying the base gel. Each layer cures 1 minute in LED lamp. By the way, he has the powerful LED lamp, 48 lamps. He has double lamps, 2 lamps for each hand. And about the gel he works, I will tell you later, but now he's removing the gel and shape each nail also perfectly, because everything depends on how you have prepared the nail before application of the gel products. Because if you don't do it, in this case it will be harder for you to work thereafter the first phase of preparing the nail plate. And after it has done, Andrew starts placing the gel product. This is the Sculpting the Gel. What's the trick of this gel product? The matter is that many years ago Andrew started mixing the Sculpting mix gel with the clear gel of the same brand. He achieves a good product which is very easy to cure in LED lamp, which guarantees the better tone than regular camouflage gel. Especially you feel it in that area near the cuticle. When the nail is growing, I mean the extended nail is growing, we don't have feeling of something not the natural. It looks natural, it looks good for all period of when client is having her nails. And it's much easier to curve sculpting mix gel in LED lamp. It's very easy to shape the nails after sculpting. Very soon, guys, in shapeofnail.com, the Andrew Stepanov shop, there will be special sculpting mix gel, classic sculpting mix gel, which you can see day by day on his channel, on his videos. Exactly that product which had been mixed, so you can just open the bottle and start working with this gel product. I think it's much easier to work than with any other product, because the consistency of this product is the best for sculpting nails. If you want to apply the quick infill of gel nails, you can place this gel in the heat place, warm place. It's becoming more liquid, so it's much easier to float to load all gaps between the natural nail and the extended nail with the liquid gel product. You can storage the gel in cold place to have more thick consistency gel product to sculpt nails, for example to sculpt arch nails. As you can see in this case, Andrew now he is lifting up nails, the corners of the nails. That means professional, guys. When we lift up the tips or the length of the nail, you know that it's natural, it's okay when the nails are growing down. But the ideal nails, ideal extended nails shouldn't be lifted down. They should be straight and flat. It has the ideal arches. That's why Andrew is placing more product on the length of the nail. After he's using the cone gel bit, barrel gel bit for the gel removal from underneath of the nail plate and for cleaning in cuticles area. He's removing from underneath of the nail plate to remove the larger amount of product on the length, to lift up nails, and to remove the dirt and the old gel product from underneath. And he's working with from the top side, bottom side, lower area of the nail. Is for creating the best, for preparing this area for placing the gel polish. You will see that Andrew is applying. Now you see Andrew is applying the gel polish, and it's very easy for him because he has pushed cuticles. He has already cleaned this area with the cone gel bit, and he's placing the gel polish maximum close to cuticles. So he achieves it only because of the cone gel bit, because he has prepared this area to the perfection. Many beginners, I know that many beginners, they have a lot of problems with placing the gel polish on the gel, because in the cuticles area they have not accurate areas. Sometimes it put on cuticles. That's why nails look not neat, bulky, not accurate. I suggest you guys to train your hand with the professional cone gel bit and prepare this area as properly as you can. Only in this case you will have good application of the gel polish. In the other case, if you are not sure in it, I suggest you not to apply the gel polish on the gel, and only do the nail designs like French manicure, gradients, any other nail designs which is not connected with placing the product close to cuticles. So guys, I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and which just can take a look on the final result. I think these nails are so artistic, they're not usual. The client likes vibrant pink colors, and I think we all need such beautiful nail designs because we are all tired of such COVID-19 borings. I hope guys everything will be perfect in our health, in our life. I wish you good luck. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you need products like Andrew uses, you can order them on shapeofnail.com. See you tomorrow. Bye!